Hello YouTubers, more late night maintenance at the pub, and tonight it's LED rope lights part 2. Don't know if you remember, but the barbecue pit was full of junk. It was used as a temporary storage ground whilst we were putting up the wooden structure. Well, tonight I'm trying to sort all this out here, so it's still a bit of a mess, but I'm down to just the 2 barbecues and the fridge. Why is there a fridge out here? Well, get to that in a minute. I had to move the LED lights because they were originally along here, and I couldn't put them back there where I wanted to because of the stuff that was stored here. Why are the LED lights no good along here? Well, when the barbecues are up and running, they're there, and the heat goes straight up there, and they'd melt anything along there. I know this because we had plastic sheeting put there, and it started to melt. So we put some aluminium sheeting along here. We didn't want the plastic sheeting up there to start off with, but because we had no space to store bikes and whatnot, we thought we'd give it a go. Now we've got this massive wooden structure over here, all the bikes and stuff can go over there, and this plastic sheeting and aluminium stuff can come down. So we'll just have the wooden slats along there. So it would be like a well, like a pergola, I guess. The lights in the back there, much more practical. The heat from barbecues wouldn't touch that at all. In fact, with this like a pergola and no plastic sheeting or aluminium sheeting up there, all the heat would go straight up and rise above. It'd be perfect, much better than before. So yes, move the lights back there, and the lights are now finished. The lights all around the garden, all the way around. Yeah. Anyway, back to that fridge. Why is the fridge in the garden? Well, that forms the basis of a homemade cooling system I designed about 2 years ago. We have, over the summer, small beer festivals held in the garden, and this keeps all the beer cool. I won't tell you how, because the next beer festival will start sometime in Easter, which isn't far from now, and I'll do a video about it, and you see about how it works then. So anyway, the fridge covered with black material, 2 barbecues covered with black material. They're going to go back there and get stored. Everything else, which is all around here, will get stored in the shed over there in the corner of the garden. Yeah, that shed. Okay, I'm going to carry on and finish this off. Check back with you guys later. And we're back. Lights are done. Been tidied up. Barbecue pit is much more presentable. Yep, lights are finished. That's that job ticked off the list. If you're wondering what all of that stuff over there is, that's the shelving that we use for the beer festivals. We run the beer festivals every month throughout the summer, and along this wall here we have the shelving assembled with lots of barrels on top. To keep the barrels cool in the summer is a pain. Most pubs have towels and Hessian sacks and lots of cans of water, which you pour over the sacks and the Hessian to keep the barrels cool. And I thought, well, bugger that. Which is why I came up with this automatic cooling system with the fridge as the basis of it. But like I say, you see that in another video. For now, the lights are done. Yeah, much better.